A section of lawyers are happy about the newly gazetted legal fees guidelines. A section of Kenyans feel more should be done to make legal services more affordable for the ordinary Kenyan. The Chief Justice, Dr. Willy Mutunga, gazetted the guidelines on Wednesday. Winnie Kamau reports.
The new rates for advocates will now put all lawyers on the same pedestal with a minimum and maximum fees set out. The aim of gazetted legal fees is to ensure not only client satisfaction, but also professional standards and quality of services. Some of the new rates charged will include the perusable page at 300 shillings. An election petition will not cost less than 500,000 shillings. The highest rate per day going for 15,000 shillings. While overtime charges of 15 minutes will be billed at 600 shillings. This fee is set to help the lawyers meet the cost that they incur in filing cases in court. The legal fraternity has welcomed the move by CJ on the new rates.
It was long overdue. It should have been enacted quite some time back. But it's good that at last it has been gazetted and the advocates can make use of it.
It will be able to make the legal profession something that can give practitioners an income that can allow them to lead quality lives.
The same should not take very long before it is reviewed, because sometimes when it takes too long, the amount of money that is prescribed therein becomes peanuts.
But the new rates will come with a few cost implications on Wanjiko, since many Kenyans can hardly afford to pay the fees.
Given the present state of the economy, is that it will raise the cost of litigation.
Although some lawyers occasionally offer pro bono or free services to help the disadvantaged, there are still many who can hardly meet the cost of litigation.
It is high time for Kenya to develop a legal aid scheme and even schemes of legal insurance, so that those who cannot afford the cost of the service when they need it can find a measure of social protection.
The Judiciary Committee negotiated for a general increase of 40% from the 100% that had been proposed by the LSK Council. But Kenyans have varied opinions on the rates.
Watu wa chini ambao wajiwezi haitakuwa favor kwa sababu hawataweza kuwa na ile bargaining power.
Sasa tuseme shamba yangu nimenyang'anywa na mwenye pesa, si ndio? Nami sina hiyo mapeni. Si unaonekana tayari nitanyang'anywa ile shamba sababu sina uwezo.
Wende uongee na lawyer wako, uelewane naye, malizane. Akusaidie, ufaidike, na yule mwingine pia alikuwa ataka kukunyanyasa asifaidike.
As many lawyers welcome the gazettement of the remuneration order by the Chief Justice, now Kenyans will have to brace themselves for the high cost of litigation. Winnie Kamau, KTN at the Milimani Law Courts.